Hello people and welcome to my channel where I teach you how to forge a steel. This video is ultimate complete guide on regular push-ups for maximizing the gains and avoiding injuries. Push-ups are arguably the most popular exercise. You can do them anywhere, and they give you amazing chest activation with very good triceps and front delt activation. You also get very nice core activation, so you can look strong while being functional. And the best part is the push-ups progress into many different variations. So you have from the very beginners elevated push-ups to the very advanced, which would be one arm clapping decline push-ups. So you can have a lot of fun unlocking all the different push-up levels and never plateau. Now let's jump to push-ups. Let's go!
Place your hands approximately one hand width wider than the shoulder width and rotate them a little bit inwards. Don't lift your head too high or lower it too low. You should look approximately 45 degrees in front of you. Don't do that ugly gooseneck posture. Tuck your chin in and keep it tucked. One good tip on how to avoid gooseneck is when you go down, if your nose or chin reaches the ground before the chest, it means that you're doing that ugly gooseneck. So tuck that chin in while looking approximately 45 degrees in front of you. Keep your whole body straight, from feet to shoulders. Don't stick your butt up. Also, don't arch your spine. You will tend to want to do one of these, especially when you get tired. Don't leave your pelvis up when you are going down with upper body. And don't leave it down when going up. Whole body should be straight and move as a plank. You should bend your elbows approximately 45 degrees when going down and up for the best chest activation and injury avoidance. Another important thing is to not spread your elbows too wide. This is very common mistake, and you shouldn't do it because keeping elbows too wide under the load of push-up can injure those that don't have enough of mobility. Also, don't keep elbows too close to body. It will transfer more load to triceps and take it away from chest. So keep elbows 45 degrees for better chest activation. Don't shrug your shoulders. This is another common mistake that people do. Keep them depressed away from your neck at all times. This point is very important to follow. Don't protract your scapulus. In other words, don't push shoulders forward. Either keep scapulus neutral and locked or retract them, aka pull shoulders backwards and keep them like that. Please avoid partial reps. Do them with full range of motion. If you want better gains and better joint health, go all the way down, chest lightly touching the ground, and all the way up, elbows locked. Get that full range of motion. Don't lean to one hand, as doing so can lead to disbalances and injuries. Try to keep your body straight in the middle between your hands. And once you get strong enough so you can do 10 reps with perfect form on a flat surface, you should add something under your hands so you can go lower with your chest to get that nice deeper pectoral stretch. And once you can do around 20 to 25 of these with perfect form, you can increase the difficulty by elevating your legs. So put your feet on something higher and do push-ups like that. All the same rules apply. They will feel much harder. And also with these, you can put something under your hands to get better stretch.
If push-ups feel a little bit too hard for you, then please go to my channel and search for beginner chest exercises. Or if they are too easy for you, then search for my advanced chest exercises. That being said, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that I made everything clear for you, that you're going to get massive chest very soon. If I missed something, please let me know down in the comments. Also, comment below if you want to see any particular content in the future. Like it if you like it. Please no. But above all, guys, please share this video so as many people as possible can have access to it. And don't forget to subscribe, not miss any future content, so you too can look like you're carved out of marble.